Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by making sure the case and both earbuds have juice. Low battery interrupts the reset. Once charged, go into your phone's Bluetooth and forget or unpair the Havit device so the buds won't auto-reconnect. Make sure the case is open and both earbuds are out or in according to your model instructions. This reduces timing errors. Now you're set to trigger the internal reset sequence that clears pairing and return settings to factory defaults. Place both earbuds back into the open case and keep the lid open. This stabilizes power. Then press and hold the touch-sensitive area or physical button on each bud simultaneously for roughly 10 to 15 seconds. Press steadily, don't tap. You'll see the LED behavior change. Alternating flashes or a long flash indicates the internal memory has been cleared. Once you see that signal, release. The earbuds have completed the factory reset and are ready to pair as new devices. After the reset, remove both earbuds from the case. They should enter pairing mode and broadcast a fresh Bluetooth name. Open your phone's Bluetooth and select the Havit device to pair them as if new. If pairing doesn't happen, repeat the reset sequence once more, reboot your phone, and make sure no other devices are blocking connections. As a last resort, fully drain the earbuds' battery, then charge them to 100% and perform the reset again. That clears stubborn firmware states.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.